Got my little basket ready. Let's jump right into today's makeup. I am so excited because I am wearing cool tones and I'm going for a very soft, like cool tone makeup. I'm going to start with my Juvias Place lip oil. I think this is like the watermelon scented one. These are so underrated. Let me just say that. And let me place my phone on Do Not Disturb. They're so good. They're so juicy and they're thick, but they're not like overly thick, you know? For my foundation, of course, I'm going to be using something a little hydrating because my skin is just a little bit dry. And then the winter, usually I don't lean towards dewier foundations, but I do sometimes pick out a more illuminating foundation because sometimes my skin does get dried out. Does that make sense? Probably not, but we're going to do it anyways. The only thing I have to say is Juvia's Place foundations are either too yellow or like too orange. The tones are just, they're not there, but they always deliver with quality. And the scent, oh my gosh, these are pretty heavily scented, if you will, which doesn't bother me. I don't care about that. But as you can see, it's a little like yellowy orange, and that's the only thing that kind of like sucks about their foundations. They don't have neutral undertones or anything, so I'm gonna have to drag this to my ears so I don't look like I'm two different shades. But look at that, immediately it covered everything. So if you're looking for a full coverage radiant foundation, and if you lean more yellow warm, I just got foundation on my sweater. No, look at that. I didn't apply a primer because Juvia's Place doesn't have a primer, and I figured we can just skip out on that. Like, there's days where I feel like I don't need a primer, but I just use it out of habit. Let me know in the comments if you guys ever go days, weeks, or have you ever not used a primer and notice a difference? Because I don't know. Besides me needing something to control my oil, like that's the only reason why I will continue to use primers, is because mama's skin is so oily. I know that I look a little yellow, okay? Marge Simpson who, but I'm going to try to color correct it a little bit using the I Am Magic concealer. This one is really good. I honestly forget about it. I feel like complexion isn't Juvia's Place strongest suit, but when it comes to like their blushes, their lashes, their eyeshadows, that's where they like literally thrive. Their lipsticks as well. These are okay, but I'm going to use them since we are doing a one brand tutorial, and hopefully this will kind of even out how yellow I look. Let me just say though that they do it right when it comes to their foundations. Like, as far as the coverage is amazing, okay? So I'm gonna let that dry down for just a few minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to apply our cream bronceador. This is one of my favorite cream bronzers because it is creamy, it is rich, it is pigmented, and it blends like a dream. This is the caramel shade. I'm going to use this little brush from the Yvette XO collection. By the way, I will leave these brushes because you need them in your collection. You absolutely need to use them. Look at that. Look at how like pretty the color is. I love a warm toned bronzer to just really bring life back into the face. If you're looking for something to add to your collection that's not going to break the bank, this one right here is it. I've also been kind of like toning back my bronzer, not toning it back, but I feel like I was bringing it down too much. So I've been mainly focusing my bronzer like in this area, and I feel like it does make a little bit of a difference. I'm gonna add a little to my chin and then down here. Now I'm gonna go back with a sponge and I'm gonna blend out that concealer, and hopefully, okay, yeah, it's blending out nicely. I couldn't remember honestly if this dried down fast or not, which it doesn't, and it's nice. All of their products though smell so good. That is the one thing that I personally like, is that their products do smell really, really good. I know a lot of people are not a fan of like scented products, especially if you're allergic. Duh, that makes sense. but I personally enjoy when my products are scented. Let me know, are you a scented product girly or are you no scent? Because I lean both ways, but definitely leaning more towards scents or scented products. I went today to go get the cake for Lincoln's birthday tomorrow. I can't believe my baby's turning 4. My sweet little boy. Oh my gosh. Y'all, if you don't have a boy, if you're not a boy mom, you're missing out. I'm sorry. Girls are amazing. I love the relationship that I have with Alani because we're girls. We get to go shopping. We buy clothes. We buy makeup. We share shoes. We get outfit inspos. But boys, they just melt your heart. Every day he melts my heart. He tells me, Mommy, you're my best friend. I'm like, oh. Literally, every day he melts my heart. Anyways, I'm going to apply my liquid blush. I wanted something a little bit more berry toned, but I realized I don't have any. So I'm just going to use this one since I am going with a cool toned eyeshadow. I don't want it to be like too overwhelming. And this is in the shade Soft Tulip. Juvia's Place has some of the best liquid blushes. They're so creamy and super pigmented. Honestly, you just need like the tiniest amount as I apply a ton. Ah! And then I'm going to use my little EXO brush to blend it out. I'm mainly going to keep it up here since I want the bronzer to still peek through, and just hugging it towards the apples of my cheeks. I realized the other day that it's been a year since I got cheek filler last year around August when I went to Utah. I found an injector and she is amazing, but obviously she lives all the way in Utah. But we are going back in November, so I will be gone for 2 weeks. Don't worry. I am gonna have all my videos planned out so I don't leave you guys empty-handed, but I think I'm gonna go back to her when I go in November. I'm not getting my lips done for a while. I might get my lips dissolved over there. I don't know. I'm so scared, y'all. I'm scared to get my lips dissolved. Like, I've heard that it hurts. It's not that I don't want to not have my lips. It's just I'm scared of the pain. That is literally my biggest fear. But yeah, I was just thinking the other day, I'm like, man, it's been a year since I got my cheeks done, and I can still see the difference of getting like a little bit of filler done, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and set the skin. I'm using my bronzer, again, duh, from Juvias Place. This is the dual bronzer in the shade medium. Honestly, this is a tiny bit light, but I don't mind. I like to mix them both. I should probably get a darker shade, but I mean, this one does the trick, and I'm going to set that bronzer. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These two together, this is something that if you haven't tried from Juvia's Place, I urge you to try them. Also, I work with them pretty often, and I love their team. Their team is, they're so amazing. Like, whoever is managing Juvia's Place, keep doing what you're doing because, I don't know, I just love their team. I'm going to go ahead and set underneath the eyes just because I'm getting a little crepey. That concealer was thick. Well, it is a little thicker and I went pretty heavy-handed with it. So let's go ahead and set underneath the eyes. I'm also going to set my skin with the, what is this? The OhMagic powder, pressed powder, something like that. This one is a little light, but I think it'll work itself out because my skin is a little orange still. This foundation is definitely going to make me a little bit oily just because it is a radiant foundation. And I really want my skin to be super matte just because I know I'm gonna be oily all day long if I don't set. This is another great product from Juvia's Place. I'm going to add a little bit of blush using the Blush Rouge Volume 2. This one is probably my favorite from Juvia's Place just because of the color combination. I don't know, it's really pretty and it matches, or it goes really well with this. So if you're looking for a good blush combo, I would try this one. I like to first go in with the softer pink, which is I don't know, it's like a, almost like a peachy pink. And I'm gonna take that right here on the apples of the cheeks. These are pigmented, of course. Juvia's Place does not play with their pigment. And then towards the outer edge, I'm gonna use this beautiful soft peach. And then I'm applying a little, I just like to run a little bit throughout the forehead, literally just like very softly. I just feel like, I don't know, like it balances out the face. Does that make sense? The only thing that I'm missing from Juvia's Place, y'all, is a highlighter. So I'm just going to use this one from Maybelline. I figured I would showcase at least something affordable, but I don't have their highlighters because all of their highlighters are powder, the loose powder, and I'm just not that into those types of powders anymore. So for the eyes, like I mentioned, I want something cool tone, but I don't want it to be too like heavy because we are going for berry lips today. So I want to keep it soft. So I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place, the Rebel Grace. Again, Juvia's Place kills it when it comes to their eyeshadow palette. So I will add some music, let you watch this. I'm also going to use their Eye Prep Eye Prime primer. So grab your brushes and let's get a cute little glam going. I also reached into the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. This is probably my absolute favorite palette because it's all mattes, and you guys know I love me a good matte eye. I used a little bit of this shade all over the lid, and then I used a little bit of the Kufuru with a little bit of black to add some eyeliner just because I felt like the look needed it, and I love this. The hair, everything is a vibe, okay? So now let's finish off the look with the lips. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of Drama Queen. Well, not a little bit, but I'm gonna add Drama Queen. Oh, look at this beauty. It is the prettiest, richest color. And with this one, it pairs really nice because it's a dark outline. Oh my gosh. This is definitely going to be my new go-to lippy. Look at how beautiful, rich, creamy, and pigmented this is. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. So I try to fix my hair. It's hair wash day, so this is what y'all are getting. I mean, the skin is skinning, okay? The eyes are so pretty. They're like soft, but yet they're a little sultry. I love, 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 love these lashes. These are my absolute favorite. If you guys want to know where to get bomb lashes, go to Juvias Place, either online or to Ulta, because they have some of my absolute favorite lashes. So this is a full face sweater weather makeup. What do you guys think? Because honestly, I am totally obsessed with the look. I'm obsessed with the skin. The fact that we created a bomb makeup look using Juvia's Place, which is super affordable. It's considered a drugstore. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you guys recreate this look, as always, tag me. I would love to repost you on my stories. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.